Designers are the change agents of our society. We play an important role in the advancement of the human civilization. Although our manufacturing processes have evolved over the years of using new manufacturing technologies, our design tools have remained slow, complex, and way too expensive. As a designer, our clients expect us to respond quickly to their requirements. We can't afford to spend a month or even weeks to come up with new designs. There must be a better way. Introduce to you our new app for the valve industry. Autonomous Valve CFD, a robust, fast, and accurate designer app that works for you out of the box. Whether it's generation of various valve performance curves such as coefficient of flow, dynamic torque coefficient, fluid flow visualization, or complete CFD report in PDF, it does all the calculations automatically in less than 30 minutes. The most interesting thing is that you could perform all of these tasks without any assistance from professional CFD engineers. Autonomous Valve CFD has been developed by fluid flow experts from simulationHub team. It's an application on steroids that is quick and manages all your projects seamlessly without the need of manual updates. Stakeholders from different geographies can view and explore the new designs from any device. It's not just high in performance, but also light on budget. Start your 15-day free trial today.